What's up, family? Welcome back to another video. My name is Derica, for anybody who is new here, and today is just a work with me type vlog. We're gonna work on some orders. As you've seen, we just finished some memorial pins. I have a learning table that I need to put together, as well as two Etsy orders. Both of them are K-pop Demon Hunter custom t-shirts. God, that's a mouthful. So yeah, we're gonna get all of that done and sent on its way. So let's go.
Not all YouTubers gotta play lines. Who uses and they use? Of course you use. Let's go.
Come on, because you know them kids about to get out of school. We are at Hobby Lobby. It was people beside me.
Entre as ruas, já não vejo mais meus horizontes. Cidade nua, dentro de mundo cão. Procuro abrigo. Escuro de repente, saio contida, almejando que seja dia quente. Breathe in, breathe out, tired of this life. Breathe in, breathe out, one open my eyes. Breathe in, breathe out, show me a new space. Breathe in, breathe out, I will not turn my back on you, will not let you down. Learning something new. Wanna spend my day to the fullest, just wanna be free. And the waves around sunken sounds. Eu quero ver o amanhecer, energia boa perto de você. Choro de tristeza eu não quero não. Choro de alegria vem do coração. Já não conto a hora, eu não quero mais saber de problemas. Pra mim já deu, a vida é agora. E eu quero ver toda essa magia acontecer. Breathe in, breathe out, tired of this life. Breathe in, breathe out, one open my eyes. Breathe in, breathe out, show me a new space. Breathe in, breathe out, turn my back on you, will not let you down. Each day always learn something new. Wanna spend my day to the fullest, just wanna be free. And the waves are on sunken sounds. E não importa.
Thank you.
Alexa, pause. Okay, so yeah, I really want to make, and I should have been made these, but I made them years ago. I want to redo them, but I want to make some t-shirt tags because I usually put let me show you. I usually put these, which are my thank you cards, but I realized I think I want t-shirt tags. I want to make some t-shirt tags, so I won't have time to do it for the orders that's going out the door right now, but maybe in this vlog we can create some t-shirt tags because yeah, let's get the branding together. Alexa, play.